Hi, this is Jim Eichner. The best thing I think about a career in innovation is that you get to work with really interesting and innovative people. And it's fun, it's exciting, it's also challenging. In this workshop, we're going to talk about how you attract, develop, manage, engage innovative people in order to build a really productive and innovative organization.
Hi, my name is Spencer Pugh. I was very excited to be asked to help lead this workshop on managing innovative people because I can think of managers in my career who have really made a difference as I developed as a researcher and then later as a group leader and a manager of innovators. There are a lot of challenges with managing innovative people because they don't fit into the normal mode. And Martha and Jim and I bring about 100 years combined of collective experience tackling these challenges, and we're excited to share that with you.
Great. Hi, I'm Martha Collins. I really hope you'll join us with an exciting workshop on managing innovative people. We have three really experienced teachers who will be able to bring a lot of experience in managing creatives. You might say, well, why is that different from some other management class? Why is it different? Well, after 20 years of managing technical and highly innovative people in R&D particularly, I can say they're a challenge. So much fun, so much to learn. But there are some great tips and experiences and techniques that we think that we can bring to you and you'll find really helpful as you grow in your management career.